Welcome, everyone, to the Animal Sounds Party. Today, we'll meet animals from the jungle, the farm, and the forest, and learn the sounds they make. First up is the king of the jungle, the lion. Can you roar like a lion? Here comes the monkey. Monkeys love to say. Try it with me. And here's the big, friendly elephant. Listen to its loud trumpeting sound. Look up. There's a parrot. Parrots say. Can you say it too? Now, let's go to the farm and meet a cow. What sound does a cow make? Next, we have a chicken. Chickens say. Can you cluck like a chicken? And here's a woolly sheep. Sheep say. Can you bleat like a sheep? Here comes a pig. Pigs go. Try it out. Shh. It's nighttime in the forest and here's an owl. Listen to it say. Look at that busy squirrel. Squirrels make a little. Try it with me. And here comes a wolf. Wolves howl. Look who's here. A gentle deer. Deer make a soft bleating sound like this. Can you say it too? Thanks for joining the Animal Sounds Party. Now you know the sounds that animals make. Practice them and have fun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun adventures. See you next time.